Hello dear children, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am Shonju Boshak, Kendriya Vidyalaya Khonsa, TGT Art Education. I hope you are enjoying this online session conducted by the teachers. In the previous session of art education, we learned the process of drawing using some very common geometrical shapes. We use some triangle, circle, square, rectangle to create some scenery. In this present session, we will learn block printing. Before we start, I would like to explain few words about block printing. I would like to explain you something about block printing. What is block printing? Block printing is the process of taking impression of some particular objects on the surface of paper, cloth to decorate it. It is one of the most ancient process. Even it existed since the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian used to decorate their clothes using this technique. They use some block of stone. They use wooden block to decorate something. In that, at the beginning stage, we will learn this same technique using some vegetable. For this, what all you need is some vegetable. I have taken here a ladyfinger, an onion, a potato, and a bitter gourd. And another thing you need is some set of poster color. You can take the color as you like. Other than this, you need some brush, a space to mix it, a palette like something to mix the color, etc. So let's start. At first, you need to cut this vegetable to make the block. And how it is, let's see. See, at first I have cut these vegetables in half shape. And I have made the block of a potato like this. I have make a letter K and V. As it is a quite tough stage, you will learn it further. Now we will start to print. First, you need to bring colors of your choice. You can use any color what you like. Now I will take this shape and try to use the color like this way. Like this. Now I will use some ladyfinger. See, take some color and paint it. how it is taking shape. You can add little bit water to dilute the color, but make sure it should not be much more liquid. Let's make a flower using this color. Now I will use another color to make another flower. I will use some yellow color. Again, make it, dilute it with some water. Though it is not necessary to dilute it with water, see a shape of flower. I am using now another color in the middle of these red dots. See? This is how it looks like. Now I will use some different process to make the stems of this branch. Now we will be trying to add the branch. For this you can use the cutting part of these vegetables. I have used some potatoes, part of some potatoes for this. You can add some impression which will look like some grass, like this. Just bend it . Like this. Now I will use the part of this onion. You can use it as a leaf of this tree. You can apply the color like this way. some different type of color to make another leaf. The darker tone of a green. See how this is look like. Now I will use this bitter gourd.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
You can decorate the background
Audio Jungle.
using these various colors.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So this is the final result. As you can see, you can use leaf, coin to take such kind of impressions. See how it looks like. So let's practice it. You can use this to decorate your project papers, book covers, etc. You can use this also to make a greeting card also. So this is done. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.